Bork.
Borf.
Boof.
Heck. Give me a W. W. Give me an I. Give me
Oh,
an H.
Great start.
You know what they say?
Where?
8th time's a charm.
Oh, Jeremy. How would it go if every time you touched me with a pen I just screamed?
It'd be worse. No, don't do it. No. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Strong nose. That is not even.
That is even. It represents your personality. A bit wayward.
What you say, mate?
I was wondering how long it'd take before you did that.
Yes. Zhong, jam, dangalang, whisked up.
How did you know my uncle's name?
And now to draw the cat eyes.
No,
Come on, Phil.
no,
Come on. Here we go.
That's not part of this video.
Yet.
What does the internet want from us, Phil? Let's find out, Materino.
Cool. How do snails breathe?
Through their noses.
Quickly, show us how sporks are born.
But what? Ooh.
Nothing about the sounds
I don't know
or
what that
the
was.
actions was okay. How deep is Dan's dimple?
Here we go. Dun 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 dun. My finger's disappearing. It's so deep. Oh, my whole hand has gone into his face. About 17 feet.
Inhale a koala or exhale a kangaroo?
Inhale a koala. Did you sniff the koala? I just shoved that right on my nostril.
Fresh. Do lawnmowers have feelings?
Well, hopefully grass doesn't have feelings.
That would be even worse if the lawnmower did. I'm sorry! I can't help what I do! I kill with no control!
Scream into a pillow to relieve your stress. Reenact Yuri on Ice. Dan, you need to show me your eros.
Pork! Cutlet Do the mannequin challenge.
What's the...
This would be a lot more impressive if we had any friends, Phil.
Yeah.
What happens if dogs and cats breed?
You get a cog or a...
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yo, what up? It's Dat Cog. Kill me!
Dan.
Phil, this is an important question. We're going to ask each other this now. Yeah. How hydrated are you right now?
Pretty hydrated. I've had like 3 glasses of water today.
Water! It's important to stay hydrated. Do some ASMR.
I'd like to show you my selection of lawnmowers. We're gonna mow that grass.
Sorry, I had a lot of stress there. Creative pickup line using the word pistachio in it. Are you a green muffin? Because if you don't get in my mouth, your life is going to be pistachio over. Oh, too soon. It spurted away, wasn't even moving. Susan, oh, life is unfair. Grab the nearest book to you, read a sentence, and make it sexy. Okay, here we go. Really? That happens.
Now it wasn't just us 2 traveling around the world on this tour.
Uh-oh.
No, we had a team of over 20 people.
Whoa, where is that going?
Dan and Phil adopted dogs.
Where does honey come from? Straight from the bee's teat. You literally just ruined bees for everybody in the world.
Do you believe in the tooth fairy?
No.
Phil, who's calling you? Do you have a friend that you're not telling me about? Mushy mushy.
Hey! Are you more into butts or foots?
Definitely not foot.
So right, big butts we can at once.
Phil, look into Amazing Phil, okay? Yep, yes. Go deactivate your channel.
No!
Goodbye, Amazing Phil. What a thick channel it was.
If you were a fan account, what would your at name be?
Definitely Phil's eyelash.
What's on your glittery seats next question? Do a classy jazz cover of the Insta Here. The internet is big. The internet is great. When you got lots of followers who need a real mate. Make a smile go from nice to creepy in 3 seconds.
Where do you scrub first in the shower?
I do arms.
I do my third ear.
Super.
Oh my god, it's hideous.
Phil, drop your diss track. Go.
Okay, so Lester, thank you for your notes. He never made this YouTube video. He's so perfect like a cake. He is better rapper than Drake. Hey, Drake, more like... Snake.
Where is my phone charger?
Put it inside us! I can write and charge at the same time. Last week, most recently used emoji to scratch your butt. Oh, God. Bob, three, and a tweet. What does that mean? It's my butt.
And the eyes looking sideways, the guy with sunglasses, and the money bag.
I don't know. No, come on.
Chin update 2016.
Yeah, so 27. No, what? Prove your love for house science by kissing house science. I don't know. It's not a promise. It's a beach ball. No, I'm not doing that. Usually, it's stock photo. What the fuck? What are you doing?
What the...
I'm not taking my shirt off because it's fine.
I think whatever they're doing in this is worth writing.
Okay, here.
Are you wearing that?
Yeah.
You are now aware of your own breathing.